Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills, essentials of an effective business communication. Writing effective business letters. Every business, whether big or small, must maintain contacts with its suppliers, customers, government departments, public, and so on. They need to write business letters to maintain contacts with others. Many of the business letters will be written to persons you have never met and perhaps can never hope to meet. You will be writing letters to achieve a definite purpose, such as selling a product, making an inquiry, seeking information, creating goodwill, and so on. It always pays to be courteous in business. Only a business letter plays a specific part in a transaction. Goodwill is a great asset for any organization, and courtesy is one of the most natural means of building it. Courtesy is like the oil which removes friction. So, you should be more accurate and reasonable in approach. You should not ignore the basic principles of social relationship and regard for the feelings of others. A business letter must, therefore, appeal to the reader's interest and induce in him the proper mood. Format of a business letter. The choice of format signals certain values and attitudes. To give the business letter the right look, you should pay attention to its structure, layout, and form. The layout of the letter assumes importance. There are three types of layout for a business letter: the full block format, the semi-block format, modified block style. Full block format. It is quite simple. All the lines are aligned to the left margin. Date, subject, reference numbers, salutation, body, complimentary close, and signature are aligned to the left margin. No lines are indented. So, the letter looks like a block. Different parts are indicated by double spacing. There are no punctuation marks after the salutation and the complimentary close. All non-essential punctuation marks are dropped. 1-inch margins on all sides add to the attractiveness. The letter should be set neatly within the space to give it a picture frame appearance. As it looks smart and businesslike, it is increasingly being adopted by all business firms. Semi-block format. Here paragraphs of the letter are indented and mixed punctuation is used. The rest of the letter elements are aligned to the left margin, modified block style. Here date and complimentary close are indented. In this style, open punctuation is used. Business letter should have the necessary built-in attraction. It should be cordial, brief, and sincere. Transmission of maximum information by using a minimum number of words should be the aim. Clearly and concisely write what you wish to say to arrest the attention of the reader and focus on it. Avoid unnecessary details and roundabout expressions and come to the point directly. Remember that people receive dozens of letters daily. It will be irritating for them to go through long introductions. Avoid verbosity. Should not use phrases and clauses without thought. Have simple thinking and clear expression. Avoid participial endings also, as they are trite expressions which hardly convey any meaning. Directly state the information you need or the action you require. Cultivate a simple style so that the reader should have no difficulty in understanding what you mean. Write as you speak. Leave out the third-person style. Business is all about creating goodwill, attracting attention, creating interest, wooing customers, and building relationships. An effective business letter can act as your relationship officer. A good letter may sell a product or spoil the sales of an established one, collect debts without hurting the customer's feelings, or lose both the money and the customer. The question is, how to write such a letter? Essentials of business letter. Promptness. It is a general practice to answer a letter the same day it is received. In some cases, you will require some time to draft the reply. Then you must make it a point to acknowledge the letter received. Promptness creates a good and lasting impression. Knowledge of the subject. It's very essential. If you have a full grasp of the subject, you can easily write or draft a reply to cover all the necessary points. Appropriateness. You should change the tone and language of the letter according to the need of the occasion. You should use the technical terms that are frequently used in business. Accuracy, completeness, and clearness. Clearness of thought and expression help in making your purpose perfectly clear to the reader. Facts, figures, quotations, and statements must be accurately mentioned. Write so that you can be understood and never misunderstood. Clarity consists in making letters free from ambiguity. Style. Developing a certain style lends the letter distinctiveness. Good writing style carries sincerity. The ability to write spontaneously and effortlessly for all occasions must be consciously developed. Courtesy. Courtesy is considerate and sympathetic behavior, a friendly attitude towards others. In business, you must create friendliness with all those to whom you write. Tact. Tactfulness ought to go hand in hand with courtesy. Maintaining goodwill of customers is one of the most important tasks. Persuasion. It's very helpful in selling goods, services, or ideas. It requires making positive suggestions to the reader and offering an argument to convince him how and why it is to his advantage. It requires an appeal to the reader's interests. Brevity and conciseness. Brevity in expression effectively wins the attention. It should not be affected at the cost of clarity, correctness, or courtesy. Avoid unnecessary information. Salesmanship. Every letter is a sales letter, and it should have the requisite of salesmanship. You sell goods or services or ideas through your letters. They turn every opportunity into a sales opportunity. The you attitude. When you write letters to others, if they are effective and from their point of view, their response will be good. You must avoid I and we and have you. The positive and pleasant approach convinces the reader and retains the customer goodwill. Make the letter balanced and positive. A business letter should leave a pleasant impression. The reader accepts all the regrets if they are expressed in a positive manner. Next video on how to write a sizzling sales letter.